The Rockville RXM-T1 Marine Amplifier is engineered to deliver robust sound with its 1500-watt peak power and 370-watt RMS output, ensuring a clear and dynamic audio experience on the water. This amplifier's marine-grade durability is impressive, featuring a conformal-coated printed circuit board and stainless steel screws that resist moisture, salt, and temperature extremes. With flexible audio control options, it offers an adjustable crossover and bass equalizer, allowing for precise sound tuning to suit various marine audio setups. The advanced Class AB circuitry design incorporates a MOSFET power supply, providing high-quality sound with minimal distortion and efficient power usage. Installation is simplified with features like auto start, smart turn-on, and high-level inputs, making it easy to integrate into different marine systems. Its compact design ensures that the RXM-T1 fits well in tight spaces on boats, making it an ideal choice for powering marine speakers or wakeboard systems.